Before starting the test, prepare and check the dry chemistry analyzer and the materials for the test. Open the test kit, take out the instruction for use, test strips and the IC card. Read the instruction for use carefully. Check the lot number of the test strip and the IC card, to confirm them with the same lot number. Power on the dry chemistry analyzer and insert the IC card. On the test interface, press the power button. The screen displays insert strip. Take out the test strip from the foil bag. Insert it into the analyzer until the end cannot go any further. Note, the white side of the test strip is up. When apply sample appears on the display, be ready to collect the blood sample. Wipe the finger with alcohol cotton. Puncture the finger with a lancet after the finger dries. Remove the first drop of blood with a cotton swab. Use a capillary blood collector or pipette to collect 20 microliter blood sample. Add the sample into the sample well of the test strip. Wait for 4 minutes. The result will appear on the display automatically.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.